This is your external auditory meatus. This is your internal auditory meatus. This is your external auditory canal, auricle. This is your tympanic membrane. And then this is your tympanic cavity. And your auditory ossicles would be, the cane-like one is your malleus, the pointed one is your incus, and the stapes would be on that, if we have it on there. Oh, right there, yes. So this is your stapes. And then the auditory tube, yes, this is your auditory tube. Your tensor tympani muscle is right there. So, that red muscle right there. And the origin is the petrous part of your temporal bone, and the insertion is the handle of the malleus. Action is it stabilizes your tympanic membrane. And then your stapedius muscle, which is on the, right there. So that small one right behind the stapes, this is your stapedius muscle. The origin is the posterior wall of the tympanic cavity. The insertion is the stapes itself, and the action is it reduces movement or stabilizes the stapes. And then features of the inner ear. So this is right here is the bony labyrinth, and what's the fluid found between the membranous labyrinth and bony labyrinth would be your perilymph. And then this is the membranous labyrinth, which is the clear layer. And the fluid inside would be your endolymph, and the structure that holds the labyrinths would be, so all of this area right here, that would be your vestibular complex, all of that. And then your vestibule is, yes, that area right there, which is the smooth bottom part of the labyrinth. So here we go. And then we have your utricle, utricle. Smaller is saccule. And then your semicircular canals are just, yes, those. And your vestibulocochlear nerve is this, right here, so right there. Your cochlea is the snail-like, snail part right there. And your oval window is right underneath the stapes. Your round window is right there. And then you have your ducts. So
okay, I'm gonna go through that big.
Okay, so we're gonna go through the ducts. Vestibular duct over there. Your cochlear duct. Yes.
Where?
Right here. Cochlear duct.
Oh, sorry, vestibular duct.
Yeah. And then your bottom one is your tympanic duct. And then on here we can also, and then your vestibular membrane right there. Your basilar membrane is right there. This is your tectorial membrane. And then you have the hair cells, if they were there. And then your organ of Corti, which is the ladybug-like structure. And you can also get your cochlear nerve here. So
This one?
mm-hmm.
Oh wait, okay, so
Cochlear nerve, mm-hmm. And then we have the ducts again. So this is your tympanic duct, and then your cochlear duct is always in the center, and then the top one would be your vestibular duct, and then it repeats basically. So yep, just keep going, same thing. It's all the same, all the same. And that was your basilar membrane. And I think you'd also see the organ of Corti in here, but they colored it in, but it's over there. And what's that? Oh, that is your vestibular membrane. Yes. And so this is your vestibular duct. This is your cochlear duct, and this is your tympanic duct, and this is your round window.
Where's the tympanic cavity?
Tympanic cavity.